Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down price list in Google Sheets. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so a drop-down price list in Google Sheets let users select an item from a drop-down menu while the corresponding price appears automatically. This is useful for invoices, order forms, inventory sheets, and quotations. So step one is to open up Google Sheets and then create a simple table containing your products and prices. So for this demonstration, I've got fruit here and their price. Now from here, you want to select the drop down cell. So choose where users will select a product. For example, I'm going to choose D2 for this. Then we want to click on insert a drop down. So click on insert and click on drop down, and to the right, we've got data validation rules appearing. Now what I'm going to do is add these in manually. So apple is going to be option 1, and then banana option 2. I'm going to add, I've got 5 here, so I'm going to add 5. I can also color code these as well if you like. So I'm just going to pause this video once I've finished adding these in. Okay, that looks quite good. So I'm going to click onto done. So I've got that rule there. And then from here, we want to go ahead and display the price automatically. So click the cell where the price should appear. For example, I'm going to use E2. Now enter this formula and then press enter. So at the moment it says NA, but if I go ahead and choose apple, it's going to show the price. Grapes, watermelon, but I need to go ahead and make some more changes. So at the moment it's just still an apple. All right, to change my formula a bit, so this is what it's gonna look like. So VLOOKUP, D2, etc. So now when I choose the correct product, it's gonna choose the correct price. Now we can format the price to make the price look more professional. So click on that cell and then click onto format and then choose a number. And then from here, we want to select currency.